Since 1984, Stanfrey Engineering Limited has been at the forefront of delivering quality engineering services to leading companies in Nigeria, West Africa, and Africa at large. With over 36 years of field experience, Stanfrey Engineering boasts of highly qualified and tested Nigerian technical staff, engineers, and expatriates who remain committed to delivering stellar results and customer satisfaction in all projects. Our services include reconditioning and refurbishment of plants, production lines and equipment, installation and maintenance of complete bottling lines, installation of fillers, packers, pasteurizers and brewery equipment, bottling line modification, plant and equipment relocation, machine refurbishment, stainless steel fabrication, steam, gas and food grade piping supplied, fabrication and installation of spare parts, hiring of lifting equipment, dry ice blasting, and general engineering services. Our dedicated team ensures precision, quality workmanship at cost-effective prices. Visit us online today at www.stanfrey.org or call +234 9011 246006 or +234 8036 698002. You can also visit our head office at number 2 Agnes Adeniro Street, U-Turn, Abulegba, Abeokuta Road, Agege, Lagos. Stanfrey Engineering Limited, your reliable partner for quality and excellent engineering services.